Hi there, Scott from Wessex Blades. To mark the first batch of ferro rods that I've been able to laser engrave with the new desktop 1.5 watt laser thingy, I've had a bit of a play and I've got 9 here and 8 are available. With all the extra time spent lasering and everything else, this sort of launch batch, exclusive batch, is going to be available. Number 7, because there's 9, 7 of 9 is already spoken for a Trekkie. So that's a special one for someone very close. But there are actually 8 others available, £20 posted. They're in oak, 8mm rod, and a brass. Make sure I don't take that one because the weight of that is going to fall off. Got a brass lanyard tube. So we've got the sort of batch on a launch batch on there, laser launch, and I think that says 5, so 5 of 9. And I've got 1 to 5, 6, 7's already spoken for, 8 and 9 in oak. Yes, very good. So anybody would like to support me as I move forward with this little investment, much appreciated. The link below will be my Wessex Blades UK at yahoo.com in order to get yourself one of these and reserve one, sort of special edition. And thanks for joining me again. It's a big launch for big help from Patreon. Slight step forward for Wessex Blades. Thanks for joining me.